Okay, this is a quick demonstration. Just show how to add the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis into either a template or a part or even an assembly. Really simple process. Just adding reference geometry. And we're just doing that by intersecting the default planes. So if I was just to do a new, just do it with just a new part, default part here. And you can do this even after the fact, even after you've made geometry, and you can drag them to the front because they don't use any existing geometry. So all we're going to do is we're going to go to the feature toolbar, and you're going to find the reference geometry here, and we're going to find reference axis. And here we're just going to use two planes, and we'll start out. We'll just do the front plane and the top plane, and that gives us the x-axis. So I'm just going to rename that one. There we go, x-axis. And I'm going to repeat the process again. And this time I'm going to do two planes one more time. And file feature manager. And this time I can use the front plane and the right plane. And that will give me the y-axis. And then one last time, I'm going to do it one more time, two planes, and this time I'll use the front. And let's see if I can do this. We'll use the right and the top planes. And that'll give us the z-axis. And if you were to create these, oops, my Y, my X. Sure, I got them here now. For some reason, my X-axis looks kind of strange here. There we go. Okay, so now when I've got these axes there, X, Y, and Z, I'm not sure why the X is not displaying there. I don't like that background showing like that, and that's one of those default things that I always like to change it to plain white, or at least any plain color. I'm not sure why that axis is doing what it's doing. I'm having problems with this computer today, so it might be something strange right now. Anyways, what you want to do with these anyways is you want to go ahead and just hide them. And if you did this in a part that already had geometry in them, you would be able to drag and drop these just right after the origin before any of the other geometry. And so you'd be there like that. And that's it.